This is an Olympia SM3 that I've just put a new platen in. I'm getting ready to do the ring and cylinder adjustment. I thought I'd show you how that's done. This rod that the entire carriage pivots on is where the ring and cylinder adjustment is made. The nut here that it pivots on is the hole is off center. So what you're doing, you're rotating that to move the entire carriage back or forth. And what you want is for the key, the little hammer part down here, to hit the ring before the striker actually hits the platen. So what you do, you get your little strip of paper and put it where the hammer hits the anvil and also where the striker hits the platen, and you should feel more drag down here. You want the key arm to actually be stopped by the ring, not by the platen. And you'll want to check several of the keys and also the platen in several different places. And of course there's an adjustment on each side. That's all there is to adjusting the ring and cylinder on the Olympia SM3.